In this video, I'm going to share with you guys how I use Bookmap to identify this very simple trade. And in this video, I'm actually going to share with you guys a clip that was taken from the live stream where I actually placed this trade live. Now, in case you didn't know, I do stream live Monday through Friday at 9 a.m. And quite often I'll have Bookmap up as early as 7:30, 8 o'clock in the morning. Then I get on the mic around 9 a.m. So what made me take this trade right here as the market was coming down? There was more than just Bookmap telling me I need to get long. The first thing I was able to identify was the color of the moving averages. The previous color was blue. And then as we dipped down, the moving averages never turned to a magenta / purplish color, which meant that even though when the moving averages are white, it's kind of a neutral. Whenever the moving averages are white, I refer back to the previous color. And in this case, the previous color was blue. Now that I knew I only wanted to be a buyer in the market, that is when we're looking at Bookmap, and hopefully you guys can see what is glaring right here in our face. We had a decent amount of liquidity that had been sitting down here for quite some time. Now, if I go ahead and scroll this forward a little bit, you can see the market came right down towards that liquidity. We get a quick little bounce, a little double bottomish action, and then the market goes ahead and rockets on up. So again, Bookmap helped me to identify the liquidity where I could have used it as a target, but in my mind, I was looking for buying opportunities. I was looking for a fast move down, for a potential trap, for a quick move up. Then the second thing with using Bookmap that helped me identify this could be a good trading opportunity was the size of the bubble. As we came down into that liquidity, we saw the bubble growing in size, and the market really was not trying to push much below the lower portion of that bubble, leading me to believe that there was absorption taking place and a bounce was highly likely. Now, if you look at where this low came in, the market put in a low right here about 21,673. If we look right down here, you can see 21,673 and a quarter. Here's that double bottom action that I shared with you guys real quick on Bookmap. So when we looked at Bookmap, you can see the first little bottom as we ate that liquidity, we came back down and then the market went back up. Now, if I was really being aggressive with this and really looking for a push out, notice, I want you guys to pay very close attention. We talk about this quite often on the live stream as well. And that is, if you look at the size of the bubble over here, as we come down and make the double bottom, notice the second bottom is smaller. And what that leads me to believe is there is less aggression to the downside, which also enhances the probabilities that the market is likely going to bounce from this area. Now, let's jump over real quick. Let's actually watch the clip from the live stream as I went ahead and placed this trade in real time. Now, here in just a few moments, you're going to start hearing a knocking noise. That is the aggression of the sellers on the tape. That is Market Pulse, which is a feature within Bookmap, which I have correlated with the NASDAQ and the S&P 500. Nice push down. All right, look, we have that 675 liquidity. All right, are we going to slow up and maybe look for a little counter trend bounce? We got the little bubble forming. I'm going to take a swing. Let's see if I get filled. Quick little scalp. Bink, $100. Thank you very much. Now, these are the types of trades I place all day on the live stream. And if you guys like what you see with Bookmap and you want to make sure you get the best deal, use the link in the description box down below.